In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in Wix. Start by opening your website in the Wix editor so you can access all the design and app tools you will need. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side and click Add Apps, which is the grid icon. This opens the Wix App Market where you can add extra features to improve your site's functionality. In the app search bar, type Wix Site Search. When the app appears, select it and then click Add to Site. Wix will install it for you automatically. After it's added, you will notice that a search bar appears in your site's header, and Wix also creates a new page called Search Results. This page is where visitors will see the results when they search for content on your website. Next, you can decide where the search bar should live on your site. Click and drag it to reposition it anywhere on the page. If you want it to be visible across your entire website, placing it in the header is usually the best option. Since the header can appear on every page, that makes the search experience much more consistent for visitors. To customize how the search bar looks and works, click directly on the search bar and then choose Settings. Here, you can change the placeholder text so it matches the tone of your site. Toggle search results suggestions on or off, and adjust the layout. These settings are helpful if you want the search bar to feel more integrated with your design while also making it easier for visitors to use. After that, go to your Pages and Menu panel and locate Wix Site Search. From there, select the Search Results page. Once you are on that page in the canvas, click Search Results and open Settings again. Then go to the Reorder section. This is where you can drag to reorder the types of pages or content that display first in the search results. You can also edit the results found message, which is the text visitors will see when their search brings up matches. Customizing this part can make the results page feel clearer and more polished. Once everything is in place, test your search bar to make sure it's working the way you want. Try a few sample searches and check that the results appear in a useful order. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.